we did a fun, very simple experiment to see how colors transfer from one cup to the rest of the cups. So we're going to need only 3 materials, and these materials are paper towels, we're going to need food coloring, and we're going to need water. You're also going to need 6 different cups. It can be plastic cups. I'm using these glass ones, but if you're going to use glass, you're going to have to be very careful, just so they don't break. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we're gonna take our water and we're going to put water in 3 of the cups. I'm going to put water in my first cup. Next cup, I skip it, and I put water in the following cup. I skip the next cup, I put water in the following one, and then the last one, I leave it with no water. Now the second step that you're gonna need is that right now we're going to use the food coloring. We're going to add between 5 to 8 drops into the water. Grab something to mix it. Make sure that whenever you're mixing it, later after mixing it, you're bringing it out and drying it on a different piece of paper so you don't combine the colors while you're mixing it. After all your cups are set, you're going to grab a paper towel and you're going to fold it 3 times lengthwise. Lengthwise means when you're grabbing it and looking at the long side. After folding it 3 times, you're going to make it a little bit shorter. After you have it like that, you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to dip one side in one cup and the other one in one of the cups that has no water. After you've done all of them, you have to wait for a while. It's probably gonna take around an hour, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. You can come back and check it and you're gonna be able to see that all the cups have mixed.
That's it. You did a beautiful experiment full of colors. Good job!